Hey everyone, today we're going to talk a little bit about heartworm disease, kind of how it's spread, how we treat it, different preventatives that you could use as well, because I know a lot of information is hitting you right now about our flea and tick preventions as well as the heartworm preventions. So we're going to just split it up a little bit. So heartworm disease it's a parasite that is transmitted by a mosquito. So a mosquito would bite and infect a dog. Feed off of that one actually, and then it would take in the heartworm, it would carry it around, and then it would go and infect another dog that's not on a preventative. And then that parasite, that heartworm, is going to travel through the bloodstream and into the heart. Hence, heartworm. So it's a pretty serious disease. So we want to make sure that you're preventing and doing everything that you can to keep your pet safe from that. With this disease, they tend to get really tired, they cough a lot, they're not going to want to go for walks or play with their ball or do anything like that, just because all the heartworm, they keep building in the bloodstream and in the heart until they're just such a heavy load that they just don't have the energy anymore. So it's something that we do have to treat pretty quickly. It's a pretty intense treatment program as well. It lasts a couple months, and most of the time we would recommend them staying with us too after they get their injections and their treatment, just to make sure that everything's going well and that they're getting the rest that they need. It's a couple month long treatment plan, and they do need to be quiet for that time. So it's leash walks only, either keeping them in a crate or a smaller room with maybe dimmed lights. It's pretty tough on the humans as well as the dogs. So preventative wise, it's a lot cheaper to prevent than it is to treat. So there's an oral chew that you can do. It's called Heartguard. That's the one that we carry here. So it prevents a month back. So you give it, say, May 1st, and it treats everything it helps prevent anything that they would have gotten in April. And a cool thing with that preventative is it also deworms for a couple of the worm intestinal parasites as well. So that's kind of an added bonus. And then there's also an injectable version that we do here. It's called ProHeart. So that one is good for 6 months. It's just an injection that they do. It just doesn't treat for intestinal parasites as well. So that's kind of one downfall with that one. With heartworm disease, we recommend testing your pet once a year. So there's a heartworm tick screen test that we do, and that'll test for the adult heartworm. So the adult heartworm takes 6 months. The female, it takes 6 months to turn up positive on one of these tests. So that's why we typically have you wait on testing your puppy until they would have had an opportunity for a heartworm to last that long. So a heartworm tick screen test has to be done before we do the ProHeart injection or do the Heartguard. Once we do that, with the Heartguard, that is something that you can get on our online store. There's an Easy Dose It program on there, in case you're like us and it's hard to remember to do things once a month. So with that one, you would just subscribe to the Easy Dose It, and it would send you a Heartguard tablet for your pet once a month, each month. And then when you get that, that's when you would give it to your pet. If you have any other questions, please give us a call here and talk to one of the technicians. They can answer a few more things for you. 320-634-3558. Thank you.